Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hushiar. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on command limitation using privilege levels. The topology that I'm using is what you see, a 2911 router and a console PC. Console PC is connected to the router through its RS-232 port and the console port of the router. If I click on the PC and then select terminal from the desktop tab, accept this setting, click OK, and say N. I am in the command line interface of that router. You can type enable to go to privilege mode. Now, the commands related to this activity I have put in this slide for you. First, I'm going to go to global configuration mode using configure terminal to rename the router to Argo. Let's do that. Go back to packet tracer, conf t, hostname, R1. Let's go back to the privilege mode and now the other commands that I want to show you is show privilege. Show privilege, if I perform that command from the privilege mode, it will show the level of access that I currently have. So I go back to the packet tracer, type show privilege at privilege mode. The level of access that I have is 15, which is the highest level at this point. The different levels that you can create. Those are level 0 through level 50. Level 0 is seldom used. There are only these few commands available. Level 1, you're not going to give to anybody because level 1 is going to have enable command available at privilege mode and configure terminal. Enable at user mode and configure terminal at privilege mode, and that user can make changes to your system. However, for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to create 3 users named admin, Bob1, Betty2, with different privileged access level. Privilege level 15 for the admin, 1 for Bob, and 2 for Betty. So let's go ahead and create those users. First, I'm going to create the user named admin from global configuration mode. The command is user followed by username, in this case admin, keyword privilege followed by the level of access that I want to give to him, in this case 15, followed by keyword secret, followed by the secret that I want to give to this user, in this case sec15-pass. So let's go ahead and create other users. The next user that we are going to create is named Bob1 with the command user Bob1 privilege 1 secret sec1-pass. So we are creating a user named Bob1 with the privilege level access of 1 and with the secret of sec1-pass. Now I'm going to create a third user called Betty2 with the privilege level access of 2, and the command for it is user Betty2 privilege space 2 secret space sec2-pass. I'm going to also provide privilege mode password or secret for some of these users. For admin, I'm going to use this command, which is enable secret level 15 sec15-pass. I'm going to do the same thing for Betty with a different secret, and the command for it is enable secret level 2 sec2 dash pass. I'm not going to do that for level 1. Now I'm going to access the console with the command line console line con 0, and then I'm going to type login locally. Login local. The impact of this command, login local, is that it's going to enforce these users to provide username and password when they are trying to access the command line interface. Exit. I'm going to copy all this configuration that I have done from running config to a startup config by typing copy run start. It's an abbreviation form of it. You can put the command, the default command, which is copy running dash config space startup dash config. I accept that. Now I'm going to reboot the router and log in with those users for you to see the different level of access that they have to the commands. Reload is going to reboot my router from privilege mode. And then after the boot process is completed, I should be prompted for a username. Let's go with Bob. Bob1 was a level 1 access, and the secret for it was sec1 dash pass. So with level 1, Bob is accessing the user mode. Let's see what commands are available to him. One of the most dangerous one is enable. So let's see if Bob can go to privilege mode with that command. Enable sec1 dash pass. Fortunately, he cannot, because we password protected access to privilege. So let's go ahead and log in with another user. This time with Betty. Betty2 sec2 dash 15. Dash pass. Betty2 is accessing the privilege mode. Let's see what commands are available to her. These are the only commands that are available to her. No enable command, no config terminal command. Enable command is not at this level, it is for the user mode. But there is no configure terminal command available to her. So she cannot go any further up to global configuration mode and change the configuration of the router. Let's exit and log in with admin. The secret for admin was sec15 dash pass. Let's see what commands are available to this user. See, the entire commands are available, including configure, which this user can use to go to global configuration mode by typing configure terminal and further change the configuration of the router, which is okay at this case. This is the actual admin of the router. But this guy may have some other junior admin working for him or her, and this senior admin may not want to provide full access to all the commands to them. So a privilege mode command limitation can be used for that. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.